leaving Ios. Had to wait for a ferry to go before we could. Sea's still got a little bit of swell. Might be the aftermath of the ferry, of course. Wind isn't particularly strong. It's supposed to be a calmer day today, so we might not get a huge amount of sailing in. And that's one of the islands we're going to go past. Can't quite remember what it's called yet. So we're going to pass that island and end up in Folegandros.
So Dee, tell me what just happened.
Oh, good grief, we've been all over the place. We left Ios and had a little bit of wind, so we managed to get the genoa out and the mainsail. Wind picked up and we hit something like 27 knots of wind within seconds. So we reefed the sails and then the wind just died completely, and it's just been up and down like a roller coaster for the past 20 minutes or so. And all of a sudden it's just died again, and I think we're doing about 3 knots at the moment.
Yeah, we're doing 3 knots. We've got 50% genoa out.
We daren't put any more sail out because we're actually going to turn.
Well, we're going to turn into the wind in a minute, aren't we? So
yeah, so it's all.
No point.
What is it?
I have no idea.
It's a bit striking.
I've never seen one before.
A few spikes on it. It's a sweet little town called Folegandros. A couple of bars, a few restaurants, lots of holiday villas and apartments, and it's really nice. Trouble is, it's just blowing a blimmin' gale. So we're here all day today. Thought we'd catch the bus into town, and then hopefully leaving in the morning to go back to Ios, but the south part of the island where it's a bit more sheltered. So have you got your ticket yet?
I think yeah, that was.
Where are we going?
Aura again.
Yeah, the main town.
That one.
So 10:45.
We'll be coming back on.
On the bus to Cora. Or is it Hora? Wow. Oh, good grief, it's like Piccadilly Circus, cars everywhere. Where are we going?
Well, I'm probably looking for a church.
Haha, you're so funny. So we have a little town square. So this is Hora, or Chora as it reads. Go over and see the sea. It looks a bit underfed.
Bit rotund. Rotund.
Very cute.
So we spent another day here and had a look around the local town of Hora, Chora, as they're all called. Tomorrow we are going to sail and head east East takes us back to Ios, but onto the southern side of the island, which is a small bay that we actually visited on the motorbike. Very quiet, and hopefully, looking at Winguru, the actual conditions are a bit calmer, so we're going to head that way, try and get out of this incessant wind. It is just unbelievable. Morning. Well, that was a night to remember. We thought the wind would drop off after sunset, and it didn't at all. Gusting all night. The swell was just horrendous. The boat was being pulled all over the place against the jetty. It's chafed the ropes almost through. Very, very uncomfortable. Spent most of the night sort of listening and waiting for a period where it was quiet, but we didn't get many of them. So we got up this morning early and we've got out of there because it was just terrible. It's supposed to be better in Ios. Well, at the moment I'm not so sure, but as you can probably see from the video, the swell on here is massive at the moment. It's actually better than it was when we were just leaving. It's calmed a little bit, but hopefully it'll calm a bit more. He's a big lad, isn't he? He's nice.
He's lovely.
Hey, what a fish.
Wow.
First one.
I know, amazing, well done.
Cracking job.
Fish number 2. Yay! Do you know what it is?
I have no idea.
It
I think we
looks,
said this last time.
it looks a bit rassy. He's got quite a lot of spikes on his back, so we'll just be a little bit careful and see how we get on, find out what he is. So we're back on Ios. And we're down in the southern bay, which is called Manganare, we think.
I can't believe this, the difference between here and last night.
About 2 hours ago, it was calm sea. The water was aqua blue green. We were swimming, you caught a couple of fish. It was just amazing. And all of a sudden it's just gone now. And we're back up to 30 knots of wind again. We thought it was going to be a quiet night. We were going to do a bit of fishing and chill out with a glass of wine on the back of the boat and do a bit of work. No chance. You can't concentrate on anything and it's just rotating you everywhere. Our boats next to us have just pulled in and I think they thought they were in for a quiet night. Oops.
We're actually heeling over and we're only going to sail up.
This morning it seems to be a little calmer so far. We've got nice calm seas. The sea looks beautiful, so we've been in and had a bit of a swim and up and had a drink and got onto the internet. And I think the wind's due to pick up again this afternoon, so I think another evening on the boat. What are you doing?
Having a beer.
Again? You're always having beer.
We got to do, it's beer o'clock.
Oh, I forgot. What time is it?
4:30 to 5:30 is beer o'clock.
Oh, we see.
Always.
Okay. And how much is said beer?
Said beer, I have no idea yet.
Oh.
But it's about €3, is it?
Okay.
Something like that.
We can cope with that, can't we? We're on a budget, so.
Yeah. Damn budget.
I know. Looks lovely out there, doesn't it?
It does. We just
So
wait.
far.
We just waiting for the
I
wind.
know, so far it's really calm.
Yesterday, 5 o'clock, wind got up 40 knots. So we're just waiting for it now.
Oh,
It's like,
So we thought we won't wait on the boat because if we wait on the boat we won't come back to shore again. So we thought we might as well be in shore and swim back if we have to. Wow, it's a little flatfish. Oh, put him back. Can't leave him out. He's only little, isn't he? started, it's exactly 5 o'clock.
It is.
And it's
5 o'clock. Unbelievable. It's died because the rib turned over. Not really sure what you do with an outboard engine when it's been submersed in water.
So this is the remnant of our Greek flag, having been in the 40 knot winds for the last 2, 3, 4 days basically. So we've just had to put up a new one, but that's how bad it's been.